Your fruit tree might look full and healthy, but right now you could be losing up to 70% of your harvest without even realizing it in the next few minutes. You will learn the exact system to increase fruit size, prevent branch damage, and fix the hidden mistakes that are silently reducing your harvest across your entire garden. Most gardeners lose yield because of 3 simple mistakes. The first mistake is leaving too much fruit on the tree. It looks productive, but it actually weakens the plant. Branches become stressed, fruits stay small, and many will drop before ripening. The second mistake is planting the same crops in the same soil every year. This builds up pests and diseases that slowly destroy your harvest over time. The third mistake is ignoring plant maintenance. Old growth, dead leaves, and overcrowded stems block new growth and reduce plant energy, but this is where most people get it completely wrong. Here is the smart system that fixes all of these problems. Start with fruit thinning. Remove excess fruit early so the tree can focus its energy. Space peaches and nectarines evenly along the branch. Plums and apricots should also be spaced according to their size. This reduces stress and increases fruit quality. Next is crop rotation. Never plant crops from the same family in the same spot year after year. Tomatoes, peppers, eggplants, and potatoes share the same weaknesses. Rotate them with unrelated crops like onions or squash to break pest cycles. Now improve your herb and support plants. One of the most powerful additions to any garden is lemon verbena. It grows strong, adapts well to sun conditions, and provides both culinary and health benefits. The stronger your plant diversity, the more stable your system becomes. Finally, reset your garden structure. Cut back tired plants like ferns to encourage fresh growth. Remove old leaves from large plants and thin, crowded stems. This allows light, air, and nutrients to reach new growth. This next step is the most important if you want bigger results. When you apply this system, the results are immediate and visible. Instead of dozens of small fruits, you get fewer but significantly larger and healthier ones. Trees become stronger, branches stop breaking, and overall yield improves. Vegetable crops become more resistant to disease, and your soil stays productive year after year. But even with all of this, one mistake can still reduce your results. If your soil is not properly supported, your plants will struggle no matter what you do above ground. Now that you have fixed your plant structure and spacing, the next step is upgrading your soil system to unlock maximum growth. Watch this next video to learn how to naturally boost your soil nutrients for even bigger harvests. If this helped you, just say helped in the comment section and subscribe to HORTIKNOW for more smart farming secrets that actually work.